One of the best ways to practice decimals is to think about money, because that's how you've seen decimals your whole life. So here are 6 word problems that deal with money. Let me show you how to do the first one. I'm going to recommend you get a separate sheet of paper like I did to solve it, and then just write the equation and your answer in the Google Doc. Okay, the first problem says Susanna has $1 bill, 2 dimes, and 7 pennies. She's rich. Anona has $2 bills. She's richer. 3 quarters and 9 pennies. How much money do the 2 girls have in all? Okay, so I've got Susanna and Anona. And Susanna has $1 bill, which think about just how do you usually write $1? 1.00. 2 dimes. Dimes are 10 cents, so 2 dimes would be 20 cents. And 7 pennies, so she's got 7 cents there. So Susanna has 7 in the hundredths place, 2 in the tenths place, just bring that decimal on down, and 1 in the ones place. And Anona has $2 bills, so just write it 2.00. It's easier to keep the 0.00 than to write just the number 2 in the ones place to keep them all in line. That's really helpful. So you might want to use those double zeros even if there's no cents involved. 3/4, so I know 3/4 is 75 cents. And 9 pennies. So I'm going to write 9 pennies like this, 9 in the hundredths place, and then I'm going to add up and see how much Anona had. So you just add it like when we're adding large numbers. You can ignore the decimal and then just put it back in your answer. So 9 hundredths plus 5 hundredths makes 14 hundredths. So I put a 4 there and then carry the 1 into the tenths place. 1/10 plus 7 tenths equals 8 tenths, and then 2 in the ones place. So now I know, what does Susanna have? What does Anona have? But the question says, what do they have all together? So I'm going to say, what is $1.27 plus 2.84? And again, I can just add it normally and bring the decimal down. Everything else is the same as regular addition. 7 plus 4 hundredths makes 11 hundredths. So I put 1 down and carry 1 into the tenths place. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 8 makes 11. So I put a 1 in the tenths place, carry a 1 over, and then 1 plus 1 plus 2. So together they have $4.11. So what I would write is my answer is, I'll just do the final part that I wrote. So there was $1.27, that was Susanna, plus $2.84, that was Anona, equals their total $4.11.